Good morning. Today, we're going to learn about medians of triangles. Our objective today, you're going to learn the definition of a median and a centroid. Then you're going to be able to use the properties of the median and the centroid to find the missing parts of a triangle. First up, definition. A median of a triangle is a segment that joins the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side, such as in this diagram. Remembering that the midpoint will cut the side into two congruent parts and the vertex of the other side. Since the triangle has three sides and three vertices, it also has three medians. And the three medians will meet at a single point that's called the centroid. As you can see here. Important thing about a centroid is the fact that the centroid is 2/3 of the distance of the whole median. So as you can see in the diagram, AP is 2/3 of AE. PE will be 1/3 of AE. That way you get the full 3/3. And most importantly for us, AP will be twice AE. Because 2/3 is twice 1/3. Same thing here. BP is 2/3 of BF. That's 1/3. So if BP is 8, PE is half of that, 4, and the whole median will be 12. From the vertex to the centroid is 2. From the centroid to the midpoint is 1. X and 2x. Take a look at this example. Find the lengths of BC, CD, and AY. BC, well, that would be 40. Because y is the midpoint, which means that BY would also be 20, and therefore the whole segment is 40. CD, well, again, from the midpoint to the centroid is 10, so we double that to get the distance from the centroid to the vertex. BD is 24. If we're looking for AD here, well, YD is 6, which means that AD would be double that, or 12, and then AY would be adding 12 and 6 together to get 18. And that is what you need to learn about centroids.